what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we are in the Ebooski. You know the vibes. We over here in fucking Cherry Valley, Long Island, chat. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I ain't from Long Island, but I was out here busting a little 1-2 wop, so you know the vibes, man. But yeah, we here. Thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little video. I probably say that in every video, but it is what it is. But yeah, we here. Hope everybody's having a blessed, beautiful, well, I don't know when this gonna drop, but I hope everybody's having a blessed, beautiful day. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here in New York City, so yo, like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Road to 1,000 subs, man. I told you. Watch when Chef hit 1,000 subscribers, man. We gonna up this bitch. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, nah, we here, man. Let me just, feel me, hit my little 1,000 subs. Whoop whoop. And we here. Your boy Chef trying to get that YouTube paper. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Chef trying to get that YouTube check. You know what I'm saying? I ain't heard nobody. But yeah, so like I said, man, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, we keep dropping content, we keep dropping bangers, man. I'm trying to show y'all what the fuck is going on with his. He got a plate on this shit? This nigga out here driving this Mustang, no plate. Let me get out of here. I don't think he give a fuck either. Fuck it, that's him. But yeah, man, I hope you boys like and enjoy the video, man. Cause we here. I'm pushing out this content for y'all. I'm pushing out the, feel me? We in the suburbs and shit. Do your homework on Chef out the hood, you know what I'm saying? Like, we in the suburbs with it, giving y'all different scenery and shit. So if y'all boys like your video, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Woo. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where I'm at, but I'm out here terrorizing these white folk, man. I'm out here. Oh fuck, I gotta sneeze. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know where I'm at, but I just know I'm out here terrorizing these white folk, man. Fuck it. He's a monster. Bro, the sun is swooping right now. Like, this angle is crazy. Like, fuck, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm headed back to the crib right now, but I am pretty far, about 40 minutes. I'm making this like, I don't know what the fuck these niggas is talking about. They lucky I wasn't whooping. I would've hit both these bitches one time. Whoa, what's all of that? What's all of that? Hold on, look at this Asian girl. She can't even see herself. Look. I hope y'all can see, but look. Sun got fucked up. Nah, we here, man. It's a beautiful day. Went to the gym today. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all niggas didn't ask, but I don't give a fuck. I'm telling y'all anyways. You know what I mean? You know what I realized about different niggas, man? Niggas who do this little YouTube shit, feel me? They don't put enough character or personality in their videos. But let me tell y'all about Chef. Chef full of character and personality. So, you know what I mean? His video is gonna be entertaining. Even if I'm doing something so simple, just like driving. Something so simple, I'm always gonna put my personality in it. You see what I'm saying? Oh, I'm making this. They whooping. I'm making this. Sheesh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lock that nigger up. Oh, am I even supposed to say that word? It is what it is. It is what it is, chat. Fuck it. Damn, we a long way from Oz, brother. Is that how the saying goes? It don't even matter. Y'all know what I meant, though. Sheesh. Sheesh. We in the fucking suburbs, man. Oh yeah, we definitely in the suburbs. You seen how long this nigga just hit that brake at a stop sign? Yeah, we in the suburbs with it, my brother. We on the back blocks of the suburbs, nigga. your boy Chef lives in the boroughs and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Chef don't be on these ends, like what the fuck? This shit look like shit you see out of movies and shit, you know what I'm saying? Do you remember going, Chef live in the trenches? See what I'm saying? So it's like, coming out here and seeing like shit like this is like, shit, well, look at that shit. They ain't got a big ass yard and all kind of shit. This ain't got 2 garages. Fuck. It hit different. It really shows like how different people kind of grow up, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, I don't know. It really shows. It's motivational though. It's like, the point is to get here. You know what I'm saying? Not all of us was like born into this. Feel me? Some of us gotta work our way up into stuff like this, you know, big house with the big yard, with the big garages. That nigga could fit like 40 cars in that garage. I mean, that driveway. You see what I'm saying? But it's like, I feel like those are the type of people that build more character. You know what I'm saying? The people who get out the mud, yada yada. Such as your boy Chef, you know what I'm saying? Like, perfect example. Soon get out the trenches, man. Soon get out the trenches. Hopefully this YouTube shit blow up. Your boy Chef make it out the hood and shit, you know what I'm saying? Put all my niggas on, get us all out the hood. But who knows? Who knows where I'll be at in a couple years? Who knows? I could be one of the biggest YouTubers on this shit. You see what I'm saying? Right or wrong. God's plan. Trust God above. Walk with faith, you know? Bro, y'all know, man. If y'all don't know, Chef is a man of Christ. Yep. Right. Anyways, bro, this is like a weird little, I don't know. Things do look a little weird out here though, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. That son got me fucked up. That son got me fucked up. The Henny got me fucked. Nah, let me stop. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all know that meme, bro, that meme is fucking gold, bro. He said the Henny got me fucked. Yo. Man, I told y'all, bro. Even when I'm just doing anything, bro, Chef gonna add some entertainment to this shit. Like, sometimes it's not really just all about the car. It's about who you are as a person. See me? See what I'm saying? Bro, Chef dropping wisdom in this video, man. Fuck is you talking about? Chef, you know what I'm saying? Chef dropping wisdom in this video. Let me know in the comments below if y'all want to see more wisdom in this shit, man. Chef's dropping wisdom, man. Fuck is you talking about? Damn, what's the word? I can't think of the word, but I'm that. You feel what I'm saying? Hold on. Hold on, but what I did realize is, where the fuck is the police at? Not to say like, actually let me not say that. I'm not saying like I want to see them, but like, you know what I'm saying, like in the boroughs, NYPD everywhere, you know what I'm saying? What's going on out here? Are y'all just feeling that safe? Maybe it is time for Chef to get out the hood, man. Change his life, you know what I'm saying? Change his life. Okay, Gwammy. Fuck it. Pop your shit, twang. Oh my god. That sounded like a fucking NASA spaceship just crashed. Jesus Christ. Alright, chat, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'll probably end this video off here. Like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, show some love, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Your road to 1K, I keep telling y'all, man. Road to 1K, man. I ain't gonna stop till I get to 1K, man. But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. Chef fucking out, man.